name is Bill Pittman. I teach high school welding here at RCC. Started welding when I got out of the Navy in 1970, and I went from a pipe welder to a nuclear pipe welder to a nuclear foreman to a nuclear general foreman, and came to RCC about 11 years ago, and was teaching just at night then, but now, about 6 years ago, we started a high school welding program, and I got a teaching certificate. Well, what we try to do is we're kind of based on the shipyard environment. We teach them the different processes in welding that provides them to get their foot in the door at say, Newport News Shipbuilding. And believe me, it helps you if you've been through this program. Because I had a boy 2 years ago, he went through this program, he's already a foreman in Newport News Shipbuilding, so he's really moved up. I don't think they have to pay anything with the G3 program. They come in, it's just not welding. I mean, there's other things like HVAC and different things. It teaches you a trade so that, you know, if you're not going to college, you finish high school and you got this experience and you can go get a job. I think it's a good program, you know. I don't think you can beat it anywhere, you know. And it's here for you. But it's like I said, welding, if you gotta want to do it, you know, and it's an art, really. Like I tell these high school kids, I said, Mom and Dad want to get rid of you next year because they're seniors, right? I said, so you need to get in here and get to work, you know. And the parents kind of want me to get them that way, you know. You'd be surprised how many parents really want their kids to have something when they finish other than just kind of hanging around. Try G3 and graduate debt-free.